Bharat Gyan recently unveiled two powerful short films, one on the deep-rooted history of Kashmir and another exploring the story of the three Kashis, Kashi, Kashmir and Kashgar. Now we delve even deeper into yet another significant connection, following the footsteps of Rishi Kashyap, the sage whose name echoes in the very identity of Kashmir. Rishi Kashyap is revered in Indic tradition. Through his lineage and teachings and his two wives, Diti and Aditi, he shaped regions not just geographically, but culturally and spiritually. In our earlier film on Kashmir, we touched on a remarkable link to the Caspian Sea. Its older name? Kashyap Sagar. Yes, this vast inland sea was once named after Rishi Kashyap himself. The journey from Kashmir to Kashyap Sagar isn't just symbolic. It's geographic. Afghanistan, a land part of Bharatvarsha once, lies equidistant between Kashyap Sagar and Kashmir. What's astonishing is that the distance from Afghanistan to the Kashyap Sagar with caravans can be covered in just a few days, pointing to ancient trade, travel and spiritual exchange that once freely flowed. At Kashyap Sagar, vibrant Shaiva traditions once thrived. Scholars immersed in Shaivism, the path of worshipping Shiva, had settled along the shores of this sea. There are two Jwalaji temples, separated by great distance, which mirror each other. And together they serve as a bridge between the lands shaped by Rishi Kashyap's legacy. The Jwalamukhi temple at Kangra in Himachal is revered as one of the Shakti Peeth. Among the most visually striking and spiritually compelling aspects is the eternal flame burning here from the ground. Likewise, the Ateshgah, a natural fire temple by the shores of the Kashyap Sagar in present-day Azerbaijan, is a Jwalaji temple too. It has continuously drawn Shaiva scholars. The flame in the Jwalaji temple in Kangra continues to burn even today, and the Ateshgah still resounds with the Shiva Sutras chanted by scholars. The Shiva Sutras are also foundational texts in Kashmir Shaivism. The connections between Kashmir, Kashi, Kashgar, and now Kashyap Sagar reveal an ancient cultural memory, a civilizational thread that once wove together the vast regions of Bharatvarsha and beyond. Rishi Kashyap's influence didn't just name regions, it seeded spirituality, knowledge, and culture.